Hi there, this is Matt and Angela doing some angles with you. So you may notice that we've got some arrows on here which implies parallel lines. So you've got to remember your different rules. So let me write these rules down here because sometimes they ask you for why. Okay, and these are the reasons that you give. So we've got the alternate rule. Okay, and that means angles that are alternate to one another. Some people think of it as the Z rule. So here's your parallel lines. You can see that this angle in here is the same as this angle in here. Then you've got the corresponding, which is sometimes described as the F rule, because if you think of these as your parallel lines, the underside here are the same. You've got co-interior. Now that's slightly different. It means that if it's also known as a C rule. If you've got your parallel lines here, then this angle plus this angle equals 180 degrees. Okay. You've got vertically opposite, which is where you have an X, not necessarily to do with parallel lines. You've got straight line rule. Angles in a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. But these are the main three parallel line ones. Okay, so you've got to kind of look out for these and see what you can see in this question here. So we have a triangle ADB, ADB. We have another triangle AEB, AEB. We have a straight line ABC, and we know that AD is parallel to BE. Okay, then so find the angle Y. Okay, so this angle in here. So we've got this parallel line. Okay, we've got this line connecting the parallel lines there. Okay then, so if I draw over this, see if you can see which of the shapes. Okay, so we've got this angle in here. What could it possibly be equal to? Well, this one in here, because it is the Z rule on the side. Okay, so using the alternate rule, okay, you know that Y is 28. Okay. I'm going to change colour now so that you can see what I'm doing. So here we have to find Z. Okay, so I'm going to draw my parallel lines. So we've got this line here. Okay, is connected via this line to the other parallel line. Okay, so what shape have we got here? Yes, we have an F. Okay then, so it means that this one and all of this one are the same. Okay, so do you want to pause and have a go using the corresponding rule? Okay, yeah, so using the corresponding rule, we know that these two here will equal to whatever Z is. So it's 28 plus the 36, which tells you that this angle here is 64 degrees. Okay then, so let's have a go at the next question. Okay, so if you want to pause and have a go, please do. Okay, so here is your solution. So here are my parallel lines. Okay, I know that ABC is a straight line and EBD is a straight line. I know that A to E, B to D are parallel lines. Okay, and I've got some angles in here, 40 and 30. Find X. Okay then, so we know that we've got a triangle here. So if I knew this angle in here, yeah, I could then use the angles in a triangle rule. So I've got my parallel line here, and it's connected to the other parallel line here. Okay, so here I've got my F again, yeah, so this is my corresponding. Okay, so using the corresponding rule, I know that the angle DBC is equal to 40 degrees. Okay. Then I'm going to use my angles in a triangle rule. So could you use your angles in a triangle rule to have a go and find out X? Okay then, so the triangle rule means that they add to 180 degrees. So if I add 30 and 40 together, I get 70, therefore 180 minus 70 leaves me with an angle of 110, and that is what X is, and that is enough writing to explain your reasonings. Hopefully that's helpful. Hopefully you did well. Try some more. Bye.